It's a certified 2019 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. The C-Class has pioneered breakthroughs in performance, safety, and luxury for 5 generations, raising the bar and putting innovation within reach. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: streaming audio, dual-zone climate control, Wi-Fi hotspot, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, external memory control, power tilting steering column, sport suspension, auto-dimming rear view mirror, and LED low and high beam headlights. Get the best, get Mercedes-Benz. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,